Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on OSCAL Tiger 12. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the restart the Bluetooth connection. So just switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your phone. In the next step, open the settings and look for the above phone. Of course, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. Okay, in the next step let's open the system and go to the reset options. Select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. In the next step you can also try to upgrade your system, so in the system go to the system update. If you have any updates, just install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.